Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have a new song on this channel called My Universe. And whose universe are we talking about? Of course, Coldplay's and also BTS. So, who are BTS? It's a Korean group with a great and large fan base in Korea, I believe. So, yeah, they are, of course, in the whole world here and with us in Gordon Guitar. So this one is a very happy but also a very easy song. So yeah, let's start. We have the capo here on the 2nd fret and we have 4 chords to learn. So let's start with those. First, the G chord here. It will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B and 3rd E. Then we have the B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. So that is 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D string, 4th on G string, and 3rd on the B string. So that's your B minor. Then we have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Those are the chords. So this one is pretty much played in the same way through the whole song, or 2 different chord versions we can say, but very, very easy. So let's start here with the intro. You will play only 1 downstroke for each chord here, and it will be G to B minor to A. You will play that chord progression for 3 times. So again, G, B minor, and A. And you will have a larger or a break there after this A, because later in the song A will be for 2 times, so this one is only 1 time, but you need to wait for double as long as the other chords. So G, B minor, A, break, and then G, B minor, A, and the 3rd time A, break, and then comes G, B minor, A, and D. So on the 4th time, no break, you go for the D right after the A. So 3 times G, B minor, A, and then on the 4th time, G, B minor, A, D. Then comes the first verse there. We can call that as an intro, the first we play there. So the first verse in the lyrics, in the night I lie and look at you. So that's where we are. We need to learn a strumming pattern here, and it will be the same for this song here. That's the only strumming pattern we will use. So it will be down, 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 up. So we can illustrate that with a G chord. That's the first chord. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. So 1 for G, 1 for B minor, and 2 for A. So if we play this chord progression for a couple times, because in this first verse here, we will play it for 6 rounds. So G, B minor, A times 6. So let's go. G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. yeah, so that is the strumming there. Like I said, 6 rounds in the first verse. Then comes the next chorus here. So it will be played with the chords G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, and then G, B minor, A, D. So exact as we started here in the intro, that was actually the chords used for the chorus. So 3 times of G, B minor, A, and on the 4th time, again, it will be G, B minor, A, and D. Because we have 2 times on the first 3 rounds on the A, so like we just played in the verse. So on the 4th round here, it will be only 1 time on the A and 1 time on the D. So one chorus will sound like this. A, G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, and D. All right. Then there's not much new to this song. The second verse here goes with 4 rounds of the same as in the first verse there, the G, B minor, A. Then comes the second chorus here. It will be played in the same way as we just learned. 3 rounds of G, B minor, A, and then on the 4th round it ends with G, B minor, A, and D. And this second chorus will actually consist of 2 choruses right after each other. So it will be twice as long as the first. So it will just start over when you play the 4th round here. B minor, A, and D. Then you start all over again with a new chorus. So 3 rounds of the G, B minor, A, and on the 4th round, G, B minor, A, and D again. So that's the second chorus. Then comes a bridge part, and this part I wouldn't try to tell you where we are in the lyrics, because it's in Korean language, I guess. And yeah, it's just a bunch of letters in my, so I cannot tell you where we are. But the chords will be the G, B minor, A, and you will play that for 4 rounds, and it will only be downs like this for 4 rounds, in the same way as we started here in the intro, but only it is like this. So the G, B minor, A for 4 rounds. Then it continues this bridge part, and it will be played in the same way here with the same chords, but instead of only 1 down, you will play 2 downs on the G, 2 downs on the B minor, and 4 downs on the A. And you will do that for 2 rounds. All right. So the first 4 rounds in this bridge, only 1 down for each chord, G, B minor, A. And on the last 2 rounds, it will be G, B minor, A, but 2 times on G, 2 times on B minor, and 4 times on A. And that works as a bridge, of course, if it's a bridge part. So it works as a bridge to the next chorus. And this next chorus will be played in the same way as we did with the previous choruses there. And after this chorus there, it will be an outro in the lyrics, My Universe. It starts like this, and it goes 1 chord progression around for each time they sing My Universe. So 4 rounds, and you will play them in the same way as you play the verse there, only the G, B minor, A. So for 4 times. And then it ends with another 5 or 6 times. It's hard to tell because it fades out with the same kind of playing there. The G, B minor, A. So that is actually how this great song and the collaboration between Coldplay and BTS ends, called My Universe. So yeah, good luck with this one. It's a great song, and it's a happy song. It's just an uplifting song. Makes you wanna just freestyle. Perhaps we can do something here.